Hello, in this video I am going to talk about how to use Servlet Context. For every web application, a Servlet Context object is created by the web container. Servlet Context object is used to get configuration information for deployment descriptor web.xml, which will be able to any servlet or JSPs that are part of the web app. Some important methods of Servlet Context. Method description. Object get attribute string name returns the container attribute with the given name or null if there is no attribute by the name. String get int parameter string name returns parameter value for the specified parameter name or null if the parameter does not exist. Enumeration get int parameters name return the name of the context initialization parameters as an elimination of string objects. Void set attribute string name object set an object with the given attribute name in the application scope. Void remove attribute string name remove the attribute with the specified name for the application context. Who context parameter is initialized inside web.xml. Now this is an image related to what I said. How to get object of Servlet Context. Image related to what I said. Advance of Servlet Context provides communications between servlets, able to all servlets and JSPs that are parts of the web app. Use the get configuration information for the web.xml. Difference between context int parameters and servlet init parameters. Context init parameters, servlet init parameters. Able to all servlets and JSPs that are part of web. Able to one servlet for which the init param was configured. Context
initialized with the web app, not within a specific servlet elements. Initialized within the servlet for the
Servlet Context object is used to get context init parameters. Servlet config object is used to get servlet init parameters. Only once Servlet Context object name entry web app. Each servlet has its own Servlet config object. Example demonstration using the Servlet config web.xml. Now this is an image related to what I said. Copy my Servlet class, this image. I will now show the all at once. Thanks for watching.